Hi guys, in this video I'll guide you on how to connect and use a USB OTG on an Android to transfer files. Now over here I have my OTG device, and at the bottom you can see it has a USB input, and then at the top we have this USB-C adapter. So first things first, you want to go ahead and get your USB drive and then proceed to connect it to the USB input on the OTG device, just like so. And then once it is connected, you want to get your Android and then just connect the USB-C adapter to your Android, just like so. Now once it is connected, usually you should get a pop-up, but if you do not get a pop-up, at the top of your Android you're going to see this icon at the top. But regardless, what you want to do is to head over to the file manager of your Android phone. So you just want to go ahead and search for the file manager application. You can use the search bar over here and just search for file. Now here is mine. It is called the My File. In your case it might be called any other thing. Just go ahead and open up the file manager or files app on your Android, and once you open it, over here as you scroll down you're going to find the USB storage, which is basically the USB drive that is now connected using an OTG device to your Android. But keep in mind that if your USB drive is not formatted correctly, then you may not be able to find the name of your USB drive or the USB storage over here. In that case, what you want to do is to format your USB drive so that it will be accepted on your Android. All you just have to do is to swipe down through the notification center on your Android. You're going to see the option to format the USB drive and restart your Android. So just go ahead and select that and you're good to go. But if your USB drive is in the right format, you should be able to find the USB storage option over here. Mine is literally over here. I can go ahead and open it up and then just send or transfer files from the USB drive into my Android. So I can just select the files I want to transfer to my internal storage and then just move or copy them. So I can actually just move them into the internal storage option over here. Select where I want to place them in the internal storage. Take for instance download, and then just click on the move here option, and that is basically how to connect and use a USB OTG on an Android and transfer files. And if I go over to my downloads from over here, you're going to see all of the things I just transferred. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.